Did you know that customer digital journey is now an audience marketing journey? So what's the difference between audience marketing and customer marketing? Let's figure this out. Hi, I'm Kuralai and this is Digital Marketing Superpower. Traditionally, marketing experts have been creating their strategies and digital marketing plans around customer journey. But lately, more and more of the experts are figuring out how to focus on the audience journey. There are three key aspects to focus on when you're thinking about audience journey. First is the most important one. It nudges you to think about your audience before they become your customer. What does this mean and why is it the most important aspect? Nowadays, in the past 3 years, post-pandemic world has pushed us to be more present online, and for the business it means to be available and to cater information to their potential customers before they reach your website. Nowadays people research more online through the means such as search engine like Google. They research on Google Maps, they research on the forums and reviews, they go on Quora asking questions, they ask people on social media. They want to do their research before they purchase or before they visit your website, before they find the solution for their problem. And initially you have three types of audience. It's an inner circle, the smallest type of the audience, that people who actually know they have a problem, they know what kind of problem they have, and they know the solution for that problem. Those are the people who know that they need your product and service. Then you have a slightly larger circle, larger portion of audience, people who know the kind of problem they have, but they do not know what solution they are looking for. And of course, the larger outer circle is the audience who do not know they have a problem or know that they need a solution. And it could be anyone when it comes to the larger circle. And you have to be present online on Google, meaning your website has to be ranked higher in SEO. You have to be present on different review channels to create the connection with your potential customer. Another important point about audience journey is that there are different types of audience that will not necessarily become your customers. For example, it might be very crucial for your business to attract journalists and investors, which will not particularly become your customers, and their journey will have therefore a different endpoint. And it is very important for you to create this journey of finding out about your business for those people, for that audience. For example, you can create a strategy around building a PR awareness or an event, ambassadorship, or creative collaborations. Also, the audience journey terminology itself and the framework of the strategy makes it so much more accessible and useful for non-profit organizations. Obviously, non-profit organizations do not profit from their users' audience. Therefore, it's very useful for them to call it an audience journey, building their PR or marketing strategy around it. I hope this was really useful and you grabbed some new insights from this video today. Please subscribe and make sure to click that bell button there. See you soon!